Okay, so I think we have a winning design. The echo input is secure. I can make this thing let go. Ugh, but that was like unreasonable. It's in there. Right on. Yeah. Be throwing that dude up on Thingiverse. Okay, so here it is. Mounted up on the wall. There's the echo input itself, right there. You can see with the 3 tabs, you can position it just about any way you need to hold it securely and let you have access to your power and your audio. And the 4 microphone holes are totally open and clear. And after I pry that guy off, for here I only needed a couple of the screw holes, and you can see where I offset the screw holes a little bit and had them chamfered a little bit so that they could fit the taper on the screw head. And that works out pretty well to keep the screws from touching the underside of this. And also that open part of the ring is perfectly offset for that pad right there. Outstanding.